Do you know somebody, maybe your dad or father-in-law, maybe even your husband, who has a wallet that's so old it doesn't even close right anymore? He probably doesn't even know what's in it anymore either. Well, I do too, and I have the perfect person to give this wallet to for Father's Day. So thankful to the brand for sending it to me as a sample, so let's take a look at it together. Here's what I love about this wallet. It comes with extra pockets on the outside, so discount cards or whatever you need to get too fast. Has another pocket on the back side and a money clip. And then it's a magnetic closure, so you're not dealing with Velcro or snaps or anything like that. Inside, it holds 9 to 13 credit cards, and it has a clear view where you can put your driver's license for easy access. To access the credit cards, you just push the lever down and it pops them up. No digging or pulling all your stuff out looking for that one card. This is a great size wallet. It's a great weight. It'll fit in his front pocket or his back pocket. Comes with a screwdriver and extra screws should you ever need to take it apart to get inside. And it has a manual and this great little box to give it as a gift. This is a great wallet for anybody in your life that needs a new wallet. He will resist, but show it to him. He'll get excited about it. And ladies, if you're like me and you don't like carrying a purse, it's the perfect wallet to stick in your back pocket. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, follow my shop for my other favorites. Thanks for watching.